Experience a gentle Japanese massage focused on the energy meridian brush technique. This routine is inspired by traditional concepts of energy flow in the body. The session begins with calm breathing to relax the mind and muscles. Soft brushing motions follow natural energy meridian pathways. Each movement is light, slow, and intentionally soothing. The technique avoids strong pressure and focuses on surface awareness. Energy meridian brushing encourages a sense of circulation and balance. Hands move rhythmically across the arms, shoulders, and upper body. The brushing motion helps the body feel refreshed and awake. Japanese massage emphasizes harmony between touch and breath. The pace remains steady to support deep relaxation. Gentle pauses allow the body to absorb calming sensations. This routine supports stress relief and mental clarity. The atmosphere stays quiet, warm, and comforting throughout. Energy awareness grows with each soft brushing motion. Many people feel lighter and more grounded afterward. This Japanese massage practice is ideal for mindful self-care and balance.